Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Vora from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 20th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, it was exactly as we had expected. A complete repeat of what happened yesterday. In other words, the Dow did move above 100 points today, or was higher by 100 points earlier in the session, then retreated by the end, finished fairly flat, finished higher by 10 points. The futures are trading slightly lower right now. The S&P 500 finished completely flat, up about half a point, while the Nasdaq market was up 6 points. So obviously the market is on hold until we get those two meetings out of the way that we've been talking about all week, and we are just hours away. On tap first is the Bank of Japan policy meeting. Happens around, the announcement should be sometime around midnight Eastern Standard Time. So it could be anywhere from 11 to 1 a.m. around that time. Not exactly sure when they are going to come out with their announcement. One thing you can do is keep your eye on those stock futures for any indication as to what the announcement was. Let's look at a couple more charts here before we move on. Bonds moving up slightly. Today up about half a point or so, did give up part of their gains by the end of the session. Gold was fairly flat as well, down a dime, and crude was up just 14 cents. So obviously everything across the board was very quiet. As I mentioned, Bank of Japan policy meeting first, then at 8:30 a.m. Eastern tomorrow, the Federal Reserve will make their announcement. It could sway the market big time if they surprise us with a rate hike. I don't think it's going to happen, but there's been a lot of chatter over the last 24 hours that the possibility of a rate hike is a little likelier than what the market's been expecting. So if they do surprise, I think we'll see a rapid sell-off. But keep a close eye on the stock futures market overnight and early tomorrow morning before market open. It will certainly indicate exactly where the markets will open. Now, before I let you go, I do want to make you aware of a special event coming up this Saturday, September 24th. It kicks off at 10 a.m. Eastern. It is our fall kickoff 2016. We've got a great lineup of speakers here. The agenda is here as well. Just go to tradingwinds.com/event for all the details. But I will be kicking this off with my State of the Market address. It's an interesting time in the markets and certainly is going to be an exciting fall. And for this session, I really hope you can join us. And if you can, please bring a pen and lots of paper with you. I've got many great trade ideas to share with you on Saturday. Also, Steve Primo, Ron, Barry, Jeffrey will all be joining us. Some great content. TradingWinds.com/event. Hope to see you on Saturday, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.